Okay, so this is one GATE 2023 problem. So they are saying that the input is given by alpha by s square. So ramp input is applied to this system. Okay, we are asked to find the steady state error. Okay, now in time domain, basically the steady state error means so when you have error signal, what's the value at t is equal to infinity. So that's when you reach steady state, right? Okay, but here everything is given in s domain, right? So that equation becomes limit s tends to 0 s into es. So you find the Laplace transform of this es, multiply it with s, and then do limit s tends to 0. So we'll be using this. Right. So what's the error function here? So error function would be given by, so if this is g and this is r, so it's given by r by 1 plus g. You can solve for this, okay, because the error would be rs minus cs, and cs would be 1 by 1 plus g. So if you subtract this, you'll get this. Yeah, so this is es, multiply it with s, and then find limit s tends to 0, which is, so I'll take it here, s into alpha by s square divided by 1 plus k by s into s plus 2, which is again multiplied by s, so it becomes alpha by s plus k by s plus 2, again multiplied by s plus 2, then it becomes s square plus 2s plus k, limit s tends to 0. So put s is equal to 0, so you'll get 2 alpha by k. So this is the answer.